In this video, we will be learning about information architecture. Let's say you want to borrow this Harry Potter book from the library. So, what do? You first go to the library, then you go to the fiction section. Once you go to the fiction section, there could be many divisions like young fiction, adult fiction, etc. You know that Harry Potter comes under young fiction. So you go to the young fiction section and then you try finding out the particular Harry Potter book that you're finding for. Now let's try to put this in the form of a mind map. So here is a mind map of the entire library. So it's basically like a map for you. So you know that the library has different sections. It has fiction, classics, self-help, autobiographies, etc. And then under fiction, let's assume that they have two subsections, adult fiction and young fiction. Under adult fiction, there are many books, and then even under young fiction, you have many books. Because you're looking for Harry Potter series, you go try finding where the Harry Potter series are. And once you do that, you go and find the particular book that you're looking for. Here in this case, let's say I'm looking for Harry Potter and the Deathly Hollows. So I take this particular book. So this is basically the information architecture of a library. So we can say that information architecture is like the practice of organizing, structuring, and labeling information or content in a way that makes it easy for people to find, understand, and navigate through a system or website. So it involves creating a clear and intuitive hierarchy. Here, as you can see, we've created a hierarchy. First comes the different sections, which is the fiction, classics, etc. And the subsections, adult fiction, young fiction. And under these, you have many other sections like the different books or series, etc. So this allows for the organization of information, which would enhance the user experience and usability. Now, you would ask how is this possible? Because let's say you go to another library where they've not divided into any sections and you want to go and find this particular Harry Potter book. So in that library, because nothing is organized, all the books are at the same place. Fiction, classic, self-help, everything is just mixed up. So it takes you so much of time to go and find the particular book. Whereas in this organized library structure, you can easily find the book that you're looking for. This is how information architecture makes it much easier for you to navigate and find what you're looking for. Let's take the example of Spotify here. So this is the Spotify home screen. As you can see that you have three navigation options. You have a home, search, your library, and you also have a settings page option over here in this page. So in my homepage, I have a good morning section. Then I have my recently played albums or playlists. Then I have a section called as made for you and popular playlists. So if I try making this as a mind map or a flow structure, then this is how my information architecture would look like. Though this is not for the same screen, but this is one of the versions of Spotify. So I could find this information architecture for Spotify online. So I chose this. So we have the home, browse, search, radio, and your library sections under which. So let's try seeing what they have under home. They have a made for you section. You might also like jump back in, recently played, inspired by your recent listening, etc.